7 strange scientifically proven ways to stay healthy. Medicine and science offer us more and more new ways to stay healthy. And while they may seem a bit strange at times, they have already proven their efficiency. We decide to collect the most unusual health support methods that we'd never even imagined. 7. A short nap after a cup of coffee creates miracles. Scientists have found that a short nap after a cup of coffee beneficially affects the body. Participants in the experiment took a coffee nap and then took a test drive in a car simulator. As a result, they made fewer mistakes than if they had simply slept, drank coffee, or had a placebo without caffeine. Moreover, they felt rested. To achieve this result, it is recommended to drink coffee very quickly. Go to sleep immediately after. Don't worry if you can't instantly fall asleep, just relaxing and half-dreaming is enough. After 15 to 20 minutes, you should get up before entering the deep sleep stage. 6. A low-calorie diet provokes a greater appetite. A greater focus on calorie counting leads to a negative result in losing and maintaining an ideal weight. When we choose a low-calorie snack over a full meal, it just blunts the hunger pangs for a while. But soon we begin to feel hunger surge again and consume even more calories. 5. Give your preference to a regular soap rather than an antibacterial one. In fact, there is no evidence that antibacterial soap is more effective than ordinary soap and water. In several studies, the results showed that triclosan, widely used in the manufacture of most antibacterial toothpaste, deodorants, and liquid soap, is extremely harmful to our body. For example, its excess can cause a decrease in the body's natural bactericidal barrier, altering the human intestinal microbiome and, in addition, negatively affecting the development of embryos. 4. Work in a standing position at every opportunity. Research by British scientists among bus drivers and collectors has shown that spending all day in the driver's seat is much more damaging than walking on a bus. Hyperdynamics has a very negative effect on the cardiovascular system. In a body that suffers from lack of movement, the blood carries nutrients and oxygen at half the speed. During the workday, you should take every opportunity to stretch your muscles. For example, go for a walk during your lunch break or do some physical exercise. Recently, the idea of a standing desk, working in a standing position, has become more popular. 3. Eat apple peel. Eating more vegetables, fruits, and greens will not hurt anyone. But it might be worth paying a little more attention to apples. They contain quercetin, a substance that has antispasmodic, anti-inflammatory, and other helpful properties. In addition, they protect brain cells from damage, which means they make learning disabilities difficult. 2. Handwritten notes improve mental abilities. It is not only useful for drawing, but also for taking notes by hand. Research results from Indiana State University show that taking notes by hand develops mental skills such as psychomotor coordination, attention, memory, etc. During writing, the parts of the brain responsible for reading are also activated. This does not happen when taking notes on a laptop. 1. Get rid of the alarm clock. Out of the 5 sleeping stages, the most suitable for awakening are the first, second, and fifth. Getting up during these stages will help the person feel more rested. On the other hand, any high-pitched noise that wakes you up disturbs your sleep and puts a lot of stress on the body. During the day, the person feels irritated, and vision, memory, and reactions to events get worse. Over time, it can lead to cardiovascular disease, stroke, neurological disorders, and intellectual decline. To be able to wake up without an alarm clock, it is necessary to get used to a certain regimen. For example, you should sleep at the same time. Which of these tips are you already using in life? Please let us know in the comments.